Hello everyone and welcome back to my first video of 2021. I'm going to be showing you how to create this look today. Firstly, you're going to need some Skin Sculpt in parts A and B, and then some silicone colouring. If you don't have this, you can use foundation, and then you're just going to mix it all together. I'm then just using a spatula to apply that silicone, and I'm just popping it where I want the wound to be. Then after cleaning the spatula off, I'm then starting to blend in the edges. And then using the same spatula again, I'm carving out the shape I want the wound to be. Once happy with my edges, I'm taking some translucent powder and just popping that all over the silicone. And then I'm taking my Skin Illustrator palette in the skin tone palette colours and a little brush, and then I'm just going to flick the colouring on because I feel like this makes it look as natural as possible. I'm then taking a softer, fluffier brush and the pink tone out of that same skin tone palette, and then I'm just popping that around the edging of the wound that I've sculpted, and this just makes the skin look pink and red in areas that I want it to be. I'm then going to use this Clink Street Effects blood and just apply that inside the wound and dab it around the outside as well. I personally didn't think it looked gory enough, so I added some clotted blood, again by Clink Street Effects, just to give it that finishing touch. And that's the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did like it and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.